Hariom everybody. Today in this video I'm going to show you some demo related to formulas and functions. How to type formula and how to test function. So for that you have to use MS Excel, and in MS Excel I already created one table for you. I'm opening. So this is a demo table. You must be noticed here. One heading is there, and in the table roll number, student's name, English, Hindi, Math, Science and SST. So 3 to 5 subjects are there, and students' names are there, roll numbers are there, and I am taking 10 example students, and these are some example marks. So this thing directly you can type. You can open Excel and in sheet 1 according to your choice select some rows and columns and type a demo table like this. Now I will show you one formula and two functions how to test this. Suppose out of 5 subjects I have to find out total of science and maths. So maths is in column F and science is in column G. So for each and every student, suppose I want to find out total of math and science, only 2 subjects. So here you have to take the help of a formula, and as I told you, suppose in this cell I want to store for INC, so you select a particular cell where you want to store, then this is the formula bar, you go and click there, and as you know formula always start with equal to sign, you write equal to, and I want to take math mark, click here to know the address, this is F5, and here you click this is G5. So here you click, automatically G5 will appear on the formula bar, and type 1 plus sign for add, and here you click this is F5, directly you can type also F5 and G5, no need to select, here you can select. So equal to sign F5 plus G5, as you type here the formula is appearing in that particular cell also, and after doing this thing you press enter, automatically 92 will appear. You can check 39 plus 52 is equal to 92, and after finding out this you don't have to repeat for each and every other students. You must have noticed one small dot over the right hand bottom corner. You take the mouse pointer there, automatically it will change to small cross with thin lines. You click and drag. You must notice it's automatically copied. You can check for each and every student. It is finding out total of maths and science, and here my heading previously I found English and Hindi, that's why the heading is like this. You can change the heading. You have to make it total of maths and science. So depending on your requirement you can change the heading math and science. So this is the heading and this is the total. So I am repeating, click on a particular cell, here in the formula bar type the formula starting with equal to cell address plus, for addition plus, and depending on your requirement you can change the operation, and after finding out the total you can copy and paste. This is for the 2 subjects. Suppose I want to find out the total of all the subjects for a particular students. Instead of writing the formula, you can directly use the help of a function. Here auto sum functions options is there. You click here general function names are there. If you click more function, the function pop-up menu will appear. Here so many different type of functions are there, but you have to use only, for the time being I will show you two function, and in your book whatever the functions given you have to use it. For total you can use sum function. So what you have to do, you select the cell where you want to store, and automatically you, instead of going to the pop-up menu, you click auto sum. Automatically sum function and the selection will appear on the screen. What you have to do, you don't have to select total math and science including the subject, so you have to exclude. Automatically it will appear in the formula for D5 to I5, but I you don't have to include, you have to take up to H. So you click here, delete I, select H, automatically it will come to SST. Then press enter. You see 251 is the total mark of ANSI sync. You can check it. And as I told you, you can click this button with the help of mouse and drag it. Now you see this formula is copied for each and every students. So this is nothing but the total mark of each and every student. Similarly, suppose I want to find out the average. Average is nothing but total divided by the number of subjects. So how many subjects are there? 1. So you click here, I want to store the average here. So this will be the total. So this is nothing but J5. So what you have to do here, you can use a formula like this, equal to J5, that will give you the total, and 5 subjects are there, you divide by 5, so this will give you 50.2. and as I told you, for others you have to copy. So in this way you can use a formula for finding out the average. But if you don't want to use the formula, there is a function for average also, that is also you can use. Suppose I want to find out average, but instead of using the formula directly like some function, I can use the average functions also. So here I am clicking, and in the functions menu I am selecting average. So automatically it will select all the numeric cells before that particular cell towards left hand side, but I don't have to take each and everything, I have to take only the 5 subjects. So up to H I have to select. So instead of K, you make it H. Automatically the 5 cell will be highlighted and press enter. You see, in this way also 50.2, in this way also 50.2. So both are correct. And if I copied it, now you see all the columns value of K and L are same. So for finding out the average, this is the formula, this is the first method, and this is the function method, this is the second method. So all together I am telling you, I am showing you in this video, I showed you one formula for finding out total of 2 subjects, one function sum for finding out the grand total, and for finding out the average also one formula method, one function method. So in this way you try to check. If you have Excel at your home, open Excel, prepare a sheet like this, find out the total, grand total, average. You can find out here subject wise maximum, subject wise minimum, maximum minimum, and prepare a complete Excel sheet and send one screenshot in the WhatsApp group. Hari Om and thank you.